In the audio settings, you can adjust your desired reading pace. Voice type and accent. Also included is the ability to convert handwritten text to print and read math formulas.
Sustainable choices in today's world, where environmental concerns have become.
These functions enable users to extract, read, save, and hear the transformed text. This option is available in multiple languages, including English, Simplified Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, and Spanish. You can always feel free to contact our customer support team with any questions.